Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. I think we're in freaking Millburn, New Jersey. I know my appearance, I look pretty unkempt. In case you guys don't know, I've been recouping from a little rotator cuff injury. And I am on a job site today because my lead installer called out. His daughter's home sick, so I can understand. But nonetheless, my clients here have a photo shoot to sell this grandiose, beautiful house here in Millburn, and they really needed this door installed so that they can get really cool pictures. So I've got my my brother-in-law here, Felix, with me, and we are slowly but ever so surely and exceptionally going to install this for them. So what we're doing here is a return panel, inline, and a door. Everything in polished chrome hardware. And when the job has to get done, it has to be exceptional. Enough of the segues. All right, guys. So, and anyway, if you guys need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83-GLASS, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com. And if anybody can recommend a barber, that'd be great too. Thanks.